Today, I will teach you how to fix the LAN cable not connected error on your PS5 console. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, we want to check if our controller is connected. We see the light, we know that's connected. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to turn off the game. Press the PS button and we can shut down the game. So what we want to do is go to the power button, turn off PS5. Once the PS5 is off, you leave it to cool for a few seconds and you need to go to the back of the PS5 console and show that your LAN cable is connected, because sometimes it might be disconnected or it's faulty, so you change it. But you ensure that a cable is connected, a good cable is connected from your router to your PS5 console. And now you can put on your PS5 again. Once your PS5 is on, what we should do is we should check for the LAN cable connection and ensure that it's connected correctly. So we're going to go to settings, we go to network, and under network, we go to settings again. We go to setup internet connection, and we can find our LAN setup here. We're going to connect, and then we're going to wait for it to connect to the internet. Once we have this, we know our LAN cable is connected. Now, sometimes you might have to press the option button and then go to advanced settings. Press the option button, go to advanced settings, and then configure the DNS. Change it to manual, and you can change the primary DNS to 1.1.1.1. So I'm going to do that on the screen. That's 1.1.1.1. That's if the automatic settings is not working. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.